Hey, I will talk on camera every single day until get fluency in English. I'm English learner. It is the day already 82. First question. Do you agree or disagree with the statement that female and male university students should have separate residence halls? I've already actually answered this question before, but anyway, I disagree with the statement because I don't see any reasons to do that, to separate males from females to university, because firstly, university students, university life in general, it is about communication. It is about being in society, and when you separate two main categories of the society, you just limit both of them from communication with another group, and it's not good. It's not positive side. So in university, definitely 100% they're supposed to live together and take advantage of this life. Bro, I just figured out that I've already done all of the questions, even the following questions, I've already done this. Repeat it again? I don't think so. What can I talk about? Okay, let's talk about something random and improvise totally. I have an idea right now what to do. I'm planning to find the questions in my university English book, what we use in university to learn English. Actually, we can find a lot of interesting topics over there. And the question, think about your culture and its attitude towards dogs. What is their role in society? Do you agree with that role? In general, about keeping dogs in Russia. It is absolutely widespread here. You can see a lot of different breeds of dogs outside, walking around the streets with the owners, definitely. Also dogs exhibitions, competitions between breeds and this kind of. In university, we watched the video about the most dangerous dogs breeds and what was actually forbidden in several countries. Yeah, and in Russia, also several dogs are forbidden, like American Pit Bull, but strangely as it may seem, in my village I saw American Pit Bull. Yeah, someone kept this. In general, I don't have dog, and I've never had dog. No, actually, when I was a little kid, like 4 years old, I used to have a dog. It was actually a big dog when I lived in a village, and I got some kind of a special separate territory for him, for this dog, but he's dead. Yeah, he was old already. Never after that. I only had cats. Like in my life, I had 2 cats. Yeah, 2 cats only. My grandma has dog, and it's already also pretty old. Like there is now special breeds, just random street dog. These things, if so, kind of childhood memories of bring back for you. I want to talk about my first memories, like from childhood. And I vividly remember still, like when me with my dad, we were walking outside somewhere in a forest, in a wild forest, and I still remember that it was so bright and so colorful. Everything was green. Absolutely wild field and forest, and there was a bridge, some kind of from the woods. Yeah, I still remember. This is my first memory, like what I still keep in my brain. Yeah, I don't remember all details. I just remember the green picture. Maybe after this memory, I love nature so much, and still every time. I'm being really taken aback by the beauty of the nature, of the green, of the trees, ocean, everything, literally every type of climate, environment. Yeah, TOEFL speaking is completely done. However, we can find new materials and keep practicing till the end of this challenge. See you. Good luck.